All right, we're putting in work today. We're about ready to install this camshaft, 79 Bronco. All right, we got it lubed up, cleaned up. Nice and easy. Every one of those bearings, there you go. Shit, you got that down. Almost there. Yep, spin it and push it in. It's gonna fall in one of those turns. You're gonna have to lift it up a little bit. Almost in there. That's the hardest part right there, just getting it to fit in there.
Come on, dang it.
So you want to reach for it, huh?
There it is.
Ah, beautiful. It's in there. Pull it out just a little bit. All right, now we need to get us our plate and we can put that in there. But we're not going to do the plate yet. We're going to go ahead and install those lifters, okay? Because it's already installed. I'll get the plate though, but let me get the new lifters. And they're somewhere. Now there they are. They've been soaking in oil for synthetic oil for several hours. So we're going to go ahead and drop them in. We got a lot done today. We got that motor installed on the Tahoe today. And we got this done. We got a rack and pinion done today. We did a couple other things, cleaned up a little bit. All right, see they slide in there really good. All right, they just slide right in there, and they're riding right on the cam lobe. That way, when that cam turns, those things would just, you know, in separate, different times, they'll be lifting up. You know, pushing the push rods, and then pushing the rockers, and then opening, closing valves. That's what it does.
So some gonna be up and some gonna be down right now, huh?
Yep, some gonna be up, some gonna be down. They can't be all up at the same time though, huh? 8-cylinder motor, it's like a clock. Everything has its own time to come up and down. It's like a big clock, so to speak.
There's one more in there?
Nope, you're missing one? Yep, that's the new one. It's been soaking too. All right, good. You can pour this oil over the whole thing. Move that distributor out of the way. And just pour oil. Let's lubricate it again.
All around.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. The oil splashes up there anyways when you start the motor. And it's going right down to the oil pan. Okay, that's good. Where are those gears at on that camshaft? If you was pointing at those gears, where would that gear be on that camshaft?
Right down the middle?
The gear for the distributor. Yeah, pull it out. Bam, if you look down in there, you see them gears?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, and that's where the distributor sits. The gear on the camshaft is right in that hole, and it matches up with the distributor. So it turns, and then it turns the distributor, you know, and then goes to the firing order. Okay? That's it. Man, it looks good, huh?
Yes, sir.
You hear it? It's dripping down in the oil pan now.
Okay.
Okay, good.